Hi, in this video I will show you how to add shadow to text in DaVinci Resolve 19. So what we can do is you can just head over and then go to your effects library. Under your toolbox, just click on titles and insert in your title. So as you can see, I've already inserted right here a title. You can just head over and then click on that. You can change its rich text. You can change its font and everything. So for example, let's make it bigger just like this. But as you can see, we still don't have a shadow. So what we can do is we can head over and then choose in here some options that we have. Like for example, we have the drop shadow option. So we can click onto that right here and then make sure to offset it in order to actually show it. So choose the opacity at your desired rate and then input right here your actual offset for this one. So for example, you can make it 50 and it should be able to reflect right there. You can also put input right here background that you would want. So as you can see, we have now in here the shadow. You can just adjust it according to your liking from here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.